Now, the last video from lesson 6.1 will be discussing dividing with scientific notation. So if we're dividing numbers that are written in scientific notation, notice how we are going to divide the decimal numbers, and then because we're dividing powers that have the same base, we subtract their exponents. And again, if the quotient, okay, so if the quotient here of a divided by b is less than 1, then an adjustment must be made. So this first problem here, we have 9 divided by 3, so 9 divided by 3 is 3, times 10, and we subtract those exponents, so 9 minus 4 is to the 5th power, and 3 is a number between 1 and 10, so I'm done. Same thing over here, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then I subtract the exponents, so negative 9 minus a negative 4. Remember to keep, change, so that'd be times 10 to the negative 5th power. Right? And there's your final answer there. Again, because 4 is a number between 1 and 10. But in these two examples, this first one we have 2 divided by 4. Well, 2 divided by 4 would be 0.5 if you did that on your calculator. Times 10, we subtract the exponent, so 11 minus 5 is to the 6th power. But because 0.5 is not between 1 and 10, I must make that adjustment. So that's 5 times 10, and since I have to move this one place back to the left, I have to subtract 1 from that, so that'd be to the 5th power. So this would be 5 times 10 to the 5th power. And then the very last example, 2 divided by 8 on your calculator would be 0.25. Then times 10, again we subtract the exponent, so it's negative 12 minus a negative 4. Again, if we keep, change, that'd be times 10 to the negative 8th power. But again, I have a number that's not between 1 and 10, so I must write that as 2.5 times 10. Now, because I have to move this to the left, I have to subtract 1, so negative 8 minus 1. If you keep, change, that would be to the negative 9th power. And there's your final answer for number 8. So again, when you're dividing numbers with scientific notation, we subtract the exponents, and we have to make sure that our decimal number out in front is always a number written between 1 and 10.